all of you that this is an Emirates flight. I'm surprised. This is economy and this is so good. But how is this economy, bro? This has to be first class in a Indigo or something. Wonderful kind of seats. Look at these. Okay. Yeah. So, to all my friends that thought I was faking, maybe or not, none of you thought I was faking, but then, surprise, surprise, I'm in the Emirates flight.